When Kelly and Adrian initially came to us, they just wanted more space. With a family of 5, you need more space. To maintain the ground floor area for the kids, the only real solution was to go up. This was done as a modular build. What we try and do is create a 2-storey version of the original home, keeping in the character details, which we did with the exposed rafters and the gable details and window treatments and things like that. We built a master bedroom, ensuite, walk-in robe and a multi-purpose room. Top of the stairs we had a little study nook as well. Advice from going up or out, every client or family's needs are different. It really does depend on the family dynamic. We have a chat to our clients and get an understanding of how the family works so we can design best for them. And then from there we can go forward and start looking at the house, the structure, the layout, the space around it and how it's all going to integrate and tie in and be a seamless addition.